Hey everybody, it's Albino Falcon Pigeons here with another video. We are going to be driving this Geico sponsored motorboat. This thing can go 50 miles per hour at max. Very high.
We won't be going 50 miles an hour today because it's pretty wavy out, as you see.
Yeah, out there. Yeah, that's a cool speedboat. Okay. This thing can go as fast as that huge speedboat. That's 30 feet long. This thing's about 3 feet. Okay, so my cousin's going to be driving this. All right. He puts it in the water.
Yeah, you don't.
And we're off. He's got to grab the remote control. Did you turn it on? Whoa, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Whoa, that thing's going fast. Go 50 for a couple seconds. I know. Whoa! Oh my gosh, that thing is like bouncing off the water. Whoa! Yeah, I know.
I have 2 batteries. I have another one.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That thing is sick.